I want to mention a few simple things about the game of bridge. First of all, the first word we would want to learn is trick. So to show what a trick is, let's say West plays the ace of clubs and North has to play a club. You have to play the same suit that is led if you have it. And East would play a club, and South has to play his little two of clubs. So West won that trick with the ace of clubs. Now, another thing about bridge is trump. So if you have lots of one suit, you want that suit to be the trump suit. So to show you, let's say that hearts was the trump suit because South has 6 hearts and North has 3 hearts. So let's go back to the beginning. Let's say that West plays his ace of clubs and everybody has to play a club. So West wins the ace of clubs and he thinks, oh, I'll take another club trick with my king, so he plays his king. But you don't have any more clubs, so if hearts is the trump suit, you get to win the trick by playing the 3 of hearts. The trump, the little 3 of hearts is higher than the king of clubs or even the ace of clubs. So South won that trick with the little 3 of hearts. So South would probably play the ace of hearts, trying to take the hearts away from the opponent. So East and West are called the opponents. North and South are partners. So South would probably play the king of hearts, taking 1 more heart from West and 1 more from East. And then he realizes that East and West don't have any more hearts, so he wouldn't play any more hearts. He would start playing diamonds to see how many tricks he can take in diamonds. West would probably play the 2, and it doesn't matter if South plays the queen or the king or the ace. Nobody has a higher diamond than the queen, so the queen wins the trick, and whichever hand wins the trick, that hand has to play another card. So I forgot to tell you that if hearts is trump, North actually puts his hand on the table and he's called a dummy hand, and South gets to play both hands. So you're wondering why I keep talking about South. That's because South has control of both hands. Everybody sees the dummy hand, but they can't do much about it. When South plays a diamond, East doesn't have any diamonds, so he just plays a small spade. South has another diamond. But the 6 of diamonds is not a winner because the jack is still missing. So South would play a heart, which is a trump, so he knows he's going to win the trick with a trump. And you don't want to let the opponents win any tricks that they don't deserve. So now South will probably play a spade and take the ace, and he'll play another spade, and he'll win the king, and then he can take the jack of hearts. Whoops. Then he has to play the queen, and he can play a club, and South doesn't have any clubs, so he can play the heart and trump again, and he wins the trick with the 6 of hearts. And then finally he has to lose the last trick, and South made actually 11 tricks. Now, if you make 10 or 11 tricks, usually that they call that a game, and when you make a game, you get about 500 extra added to your score. So that's the whole purpose of bridges for the two partners to bid a game, and of course they have to make it. Now, if we had bid 4 hearts, that would have been a game, and you add 6 to whatever you bid, so 4 plus 6 is 10. That tells you have to take 10 tricks. And if you remember, South actually took 11 tricks, so he made his game, and he got 500 added to his score.